Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your business made money while you slept. No emails sent, no meetings scheduled, no calls made, just results. That's not a fantasy anymore. It's the quiet revolution of AI-driven self-running businesses, where code and creativity replace human labor with automated intelligence. But here's the catch. Most people talk about AI income like it's magic. It's not. It's a system, one that can be built, scaled, and refined. And in this video, I'll break it down step by step, from idea to income. By the end, you'll understand exactly how creators, freelancers, and small founders are launching automated AI engines that work 24/7, and how you can build your own, without a massive team or funding. In the past, creating a business meant time, employees, and constant management. But the new era of AI entrepreneurship flips that on its head. The core idea is simple. You combine automation tools, AI workflows, and digital distribution to create systems that generate value once and deliver it infinitely. AI is no longer just a productivity booster. It's becoming an operator. It can handle customer service, marketing, lead generation, even product creation. In 2025, we're watching the rise of AI businesses that run themselves, built on simple but powerful frameworks. The question isn't if AI can make you money. The question is, how can you design a system where AI works for you, while you focus on strategy and growth? Every self-running AI business is built around three mechanisms: input, intelligence, and output. Think of it like a digital flywheel. First, input, the source of data, content, or audience signals. This might be user data, website analytics, or even YouTube viewer interactions. Your AI needs something to learn from. Second, intelligence. This is the brain. It's where you train or integrate AI models that make decisions, from writing product copy to responding to customers, or optimizing ads. Third, output. Where the system delivers value back into the world. That could be blog content, personalized emails, video generation, or even pricing adjustments in real time. When these three parts are connected in a continuous loop, your business becomes a living digital organism, one that improves as it operates. This isn't about replacing people, it's about repurposing time. You shift your energy from execution to orchestration. Let's build a practical framework, a step-by-step path from idea to income. We'll call it the A.I.R framework, short for automate, integrate, and reinforce. Step 1. Automate the repetitive. Start by identifying one task that drains time but follows a predictable pattern, such as sending emails, summarizing data, or creating daily posts. Replace that with a reliable AI agent or workflow. Use tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, or Make.com to create event-driven triggers that do it automatically. Step 2. Integrate intelligence. Once automation is stable, inject decision-making AI. This could be something like using GPT to analyze engagement trends or price sensitivity. Now your system isn't just working, it's learning. Step 3. Reinforce through feedback loops. Finally, feed your results back into your system. The AI learns what works and gets better each cycle. That's where the compounding begins. Your AI business evolves on its own. Each loop adds stability. Each refinement adds scale. Before long, your idea becomes a digital machine generating consistent value. Let's look at a real-world example. Meet NextWave Tools, a small SaaS startup that began with one idea. Can AI write SEO articles faster than humans, without losing quality? They built a three-step workflow. First, a GPT-based agent created drafts from keyword prompts. Then, another AI system fact-checked, formatted, and improved tone. Finally, a scheduler auto-published to WordPress and shared to LinkedIn. Within 60 days, their output increased 500%. Their team of 2 generated the same content volume as a team of 10, with near zero burnout. Revenue tripled. Their system didn't need constant oversight, it just needed direction. That's the power of a self-running AI workflow. You build the process once, and it keeps building value on its own. We're standing at the start of a massive shift. Over the next few years, most digital entrepreneurs won't ask, "What can I do with AI?" They'll ask, what can AI do without me? AI-first businesses are no longer experiments, they're becoming the new normal. From solopreneurs running seven-figure info brands, to small teams operating AI customer service 24/7, the leverage curve is exploding. And here's the most exciting part. The entry cost has never been lower. You don't need millions, you just need the right sequence to build the system piece by piece. The path to building a self-running AI business isn't about complexity, it's about clarity. Automate the predictable, integrate intelligence, reinforce through feedback. Do this consistently, and your business starts working for you. The more you refine, the more independent it becomes. In a world where most people are still doing, you'll be among the few who are designing, letting AI handle the doing, while you focus on vision, innovation, and scale. If this opened your perspective, the next step is to go deeper. In our next video, the AI Business Blueprint, 5 systems that run themselves, we'll map out specific automation stacks that turn your idea into an engine. Subscribe if you're ready to stop working in your business and start building the system that works for you.